Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. Here we are yet again. I bought another wig off of Amazon.
I finally signed up for Amazon Prime and I like it. The Amazon Prime membership gives you the opportunity to shop online for whatever your heart desires, and then they deliver it to you in 2 days. No, Amazon is not sponsoring this video. This video does not have any sponsors.
This time around, I want something a little bit different. You know I love my curls, but I was like, you know what? Why not buy some straight hair? So I went online and I found a lace 360 wig that is straight hair. The density is a little bit low, but that's okay. I paid $180 for the wig. I know, that much money, and it's not even all that thick. I know, crazy, but why not? I bought it for you guys so I can tell you all about it, just in case if you were interested in purchasing the wig for yourself. So since I purchased the Amazon Prime membership, I got this package in 2 days. So I'm really super excited to finally see it and review it for you guys. So this wig must be business because it comes in a whole box. Like the other wigs came in a package, so this one has a whole box. So I'm hoping that this is not mostly hair. Hopefully they got some stuff in here for me. So without further ado, let's open this box already. Oh my goodness. How cute is this box? Like, choose us, choose beautiful. Okay. Okay. So on the side it says, contact us, get $10 cash. Ha! Bet. So it's sealed. The label just says 360 lace frontal wig, texture straight, 24 inches. So, okay. Let's peel this seal and open the box. So in the box it says we only supply 100% hand-picked virgin human hair, and then it says the finest and greatest hair quality that are healthy and youthful in the world. Whatever, okay. Let's see. Okay, so it does come with a little gift, and it comes with some eyelashes. So anyways, put that to the side and let's get to what we really here for, this wig. Okay, so the hair, it comes in a little net. Oh my. You know, for something that's in between 130, 150 density, this is a good grade of hair. I mean, I'm weird. Like, I like my curls big, but I like my straight hairs thin. I don't like a lot of thick straight hair, and this is a decent sized ponytail, so okay. Let's get to the review. First, initial shed. Do my comb through it a couple times. Nothing, no shedding, so that's good. So the next question is true to length. So let's get the measuring tape out. So this is supposed to be 24 inches. So I'm gonna pull my measuring tape to 25, lock it in. So I'm holding the middle clip on the wig. Then line it up. Here's the top to the bottom. It looks past 24 inches, but we're gonna try this on and double check for sure if it is true to length. Next is the smell. It doesn't have a bad smell. It smells like a brand new pack of hair. You know how when you buy bundles, it smells like new bundles? That's how this hair smells like. It doesn't smell bad at all. So that's a plus. Textures. So the hair texture is very soft. It has a nice feeling. It feels very silky. Okay, I like it. I'm liking it so far. Ooh wee. It's nice and smooth and silky. Like, oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. I love it. I'm loving this wig. Okay, Amazon, you got some good vendors. Okay, bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. Next is the volume. This hair got lots of bounce. So the density on the website says it's between 130 and 150. I don't know how to feel about that. I couldn't tell you if it was, but when I try it on, I'll be able to better assess if this hair is thick enough for my liking. Okay, clearly the pattern is straight. Clearly, this is straight. You know, definitely can, you know, apply more heat to the hair to make it bone straight, but I like how it is. This is like a natural straight. And as you can see, there's no tangles. This hair is like butter, yet again, like butter, like butter, like butter, like butter. Very silky, very smooth, no tangles, none of that. Okay, the ends look good. They look healthy. This hair has a nice texture to it, like it's not dry at all. They preserve this hair very good. Now moving on to the lace. So this is a 360 lace wig, and it looks like there are no baby hairs, and you might have to definitely pluck the lace, which is fine. So I'm trying to make a little part here. This is the middle of the wig. I'm gonna measure the lace here. So I'm gonna measure it from the front of the hairline to where the tracks are. So the track is about here. It's kind of hard to show it, but this is 4 inches back. So this is the front of the lace where I have the little marker right here, and then over here is the track. So right here is the track, right? I'm going to put that 4 at the track line all the way down, so it's exactly, you see the track right here? You see the track? It's exactly 4 inches from the track. It has an ear space on this side. And then it has another ear space for the other side. When I try it on, I will definitely show you guys to see if it's 13 inches across. But this is how the lace looks like. Definitely gonna have to bleach the knots because you can see it. And tint the lace back because I don't like this color. This is not a good brown color to me. But it does look like they did attempt to make the hairline natural. It has a little curvature. It's like that. They definitely created a hairline on here. There's definitely more room to create more hairline, and then definitely some baby hairs as well, because there are no baby hairs. As far as I can see, the hairs in the front are as long as, you know, how this hair is layered on this wig. So this is the front. You'll be able to see it better on my head. And then here's the back. Why I look like the back got more baby hairs than anything, and these are some long baby hairs on top of that. But anyways, this is the back of the wig. This is the ear part. And come around to the other side. And that's the other ear part. But definitely gonna bleach the knots and tint the lace through this part. This is a pretty straight part.
This is how thick the lace is. So definitely gonna have to do some plucking for a part. I'm gonna flip this over so you can see the construction, the inner construction of the wig. So the construction of the wig is like your typical wigs. So this is the front where the lace is. So this is like the middle of your head. So there's one clip in the middle. This is the front lace, and then back here. So there's a wig clip here, and there's a wig clip here, and then one in the back, and then it also has the straps, strap here as well. And then this is the back where the lace is. It's the ear area over here. And then coming back to the front of the lace. And the other ear area. And then back to the back of the lace. This wig cap looks pretty big. Like, this definitely should fit my head. But we're about to find out. I'm gonna try this wig on for you, my loves, and let you know if this is big head friendly, and I'm gonna let you know if this is as nice as it seems, and all that in the bag of chips, okay? So let's go try on this wig. You already know what time it is. It's the moment of truth. Yes, the moment of truth. There's the one thing, you can get back money, but you can't get back time, okay? So I'm gonna let you know if you should waste your time and your energy. I'm gonna try on this wig and let you guys know what's the tea. Okay guys, so I have the wig on, and I do like how smooth it is. Like, this hair feels so nice. Like, I'm really feeling this hair. I will say it can definitely use more hair. I wish it was thicker. Like the ponytail, it's not gonna be that thick. Like, this is all the hair. It could be thicker, but it feels nice, so I will say that. And I like flipping it to the left and the right, as you can see, because it does it without an issue. It doesn't tangle, and it's not shedding. So this hair is definitely very playful. So far, it seems like the kind of hair where if you just walk in, it won't start natting up. No, it's very silky, and you can just do, you know, you could just comb through it with your fingers and it'll be straight, it'll untangle just fine. But let me show you the front of the lace. So my wig cap, you can see it, but this is the hairline. So this is where the ear space is, and this is the hairline. So you see they tried to create a hairline, but it could be plucked more, and definitely to make some baby hairs as well. But this is the hairline. It's not that bad. Definitely got a little bit of work to do to make it look more natural than what they did. But let me show you the back. So this is the back of the lace. I pulled it up so you can kind of see it. So it's not bad. See the little ear space? The ear space actually sits better. Show you the other side too. For the ear space over here. Ear to ear, looks good. So let's do a quick measurement to see if it's ear to ear. Line this all the way across. So from my left ear to my right ear, so wherever this number is, and that is 12. That is 12, ladies and gentlemen. So one more thing I wanted to mention was that I did measure the length of the hair, and it did turn out to be 24 inches overall. However, the majority of the thickness of the hair did stop at 20 inches.
So I paid $180 for this hair, and it is 24 inches, 360 lace front Brazilian human straight hair. So on here it says it's Remy hair. Interesting. It says tangle free, no shedding. On the website on Amazon it tells you how to care for the hair. So the hair vendor with Amazon is called Alot hair, which is ironic because this is not a lot of hair. I'm super excited about this hair because the wig actually fits my head. This wig is big head friendly approved. So that is awesome. My big head girlfriends, we in here with this wig. It fits like a glove. So I will say the lace feels soft. It doesn't feel like it'll snag your edges, which is good. You know, hashtag save the edges. This is a very important movement for us girls who like to have protective hairstyles and slap on a wig instead of manipulating our hair all the time. Saving your edges is so important. So important. There are so many wigs out there that you might buy for the low or even high top dollar wigs you pay a pretty penny for out there snagging edges. Why? But anyways, that's neither here nor there. So overall, I will give this hair a 9, only losing 1 point because the fact that it could be more hair. But I love it. I like hair. We all want a wig that is full and thick, and you know, after combing it 15 million times a day, you want to, you know, keep the wig. Like, you want the wig to last, you know. This wig could be thicker, but that's okay. I'm not returning this wig. I am happy with this hair. It feels wonderful. Definitely gonna rock this baby since it fits. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. I will do a follow-up video about this hair. Thank you all for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe to Slay Secrets YouTube channel so you can see more hair reviews, and I have a lot coming your way. Best believe your girl got some plans for you. Lots of ideas, and it's just I can't wait. I got some good stuff coming your way, so subscribe to my channel now so you don't miss out. Alright, so that's all that I have for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye.